can't wait to spend my rest of my life with you.
It's a baby.
I'm so awkward. I think you know how much I love you and
You can't look at me. I know பார்க்கிறதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் பேய் மாதிரி தான்
ஆமா.
இருக்கு.
You're so pretty, baby.
yeah, like I'm so excited to build a life with you.
I mean, I think she's worked really hard for this.
What this?
Let's say look.
No, I think it's nice.
Maybe it makes me look like different. I don't want to look different.
I don't know actually. No, actually this is nice. It fits the wedding.
Okay.
I mean, really excited for our marriage together. Yeah. அப்புறம் just relieved we are done. இனிமே பாலிக்கு உபுட்க்கு தான். Yeah, and now for the more exciting part.
இந்த மாதிரி கேமராக்கு முன்னாடி சொல்லுன்னா நான் என்ன சொல்லுவேன்? I'm just so happy and like no more stress.
Correct.
Now it's the more exciting part.
Ubud.
Not the holiday, but life with
Yes.
me, living together with me.